Hello students, welcome back to the third part of this poem, that is Don't Quit, of class 8th. Okay, now third stanza of this poem is here. Okay, success is failure. Okay, now we are saying one thing directly to another, like success is what? Failure. It's obvious when you are trying something, sometimes you fall, sometimes you feel it's not working it out. So that is your success is based on your failure. How many times you failed, then you come to that position. Okay, as I told you in the last video about the story of that ladder, you go one step, second step, and you fall. You go to, then you again come to the third step, then again you fall. Okay, so this is like, this is the these are the steps of our success. So success is failure. It's the time you have tried. Okay, so this line is to say success is failure turned inside out. Like inside, turned inside out. What does this mean? This phrase tells you about turned inside out. Like किसी को भी this is the way I was trying to do this. It turned me, an accident of mine turned inside out. The change of your life. Okay, that is the experience, the learning part, the learning outcome you will get. Okay, that is the learning output that you will get in the path of success. Success is failure turned inside out. The silver tint of the cloud of doubt. The silver tint of the clouds of doubt. The silver tint means is the silver lining. Okay, again it's a metaphor. Okay, or you can call it a personification, the more better way. The silver tint of the clouds of doubt. When you think, no, this is not done, it is not working, because you don't know what will be the result, what time it will take. Maybe you are about to reach to that particular moment, to that success, but all of the sudden what will happen? Because you are not aware with the time. Okay, तुम्हें नहीं पता, you are not aware कि tomorrow what will be going to happen. If you are trying, do it. It's a process. Wait for the result. So this is the silver tint, is the silver line of the clouds of doubt. You have a doubt, you feel that I'm not pretty sure when the result will come, when the result will come, as you wait for your final exam results. So this is the silver line of doubt. Okay, and you never can tell how close you are. Yes, this is a very important line. You never know. This is very unpredictable thing. Okay, okay, this is you can't predict it ki when the result will come, what will be the result. Okay, so and you never can tell how close you are. The time, the lapse of time, you are not sure at what time I'll be getting the things done in a clear manner. Okay, it may be near when it seems so far. You think the thing is very far, it is very long process, but when you do it, you seems it's very far, but maybe sometimes you get the result very soon. Okay, near when it seems so far, and maybe near when it seems so far. Maybe your success is very near to you, and it is about looking like it is a very difficult situation, it is a very far situation. Okay, so stick to the fight when you are hardest hit. So stick to the fight. That means lage raho. You have to do it. Stick to that particular situation. Okay, whatever the work you are doing, stick to that work. Fight when you are have the hardest hit. Hardest hit, you understand? Hardest hit. Maybe that is the trouble making time for you. Maybe there is a time that is the hardest hit. Okay. It is when things seems worst that you must not quit. The situation will come now, this is done, I can't do this. This is not my cup of tea. Then you say, I'm not going to do. Situation get worse and worse. But what you have to do with it is, you have to stay calm, do your work and let the rest. Okay, you will get the results. So this was all about this story or the explanation of this poem. Don't quit. So this chapter, the moral of the story is, We have to do our work, we have to struggle. We came, it's not like that you don't have to wait for the, like, it's wrong to wait for the result, okay? But yes, sometimes our problems will take time, okay? Like this pandemic situation is going on, it is taking time, okay? So wait for it. The time will come when you blow, okay? When you move outside, when you do whatever you want. So this poem is a very correct poem for this situation, okay? So read this poem, uh, explain it to your brothers and sisters, okay? And do the exercise, okay? There is an exercise over here. Listen and repeat, okay? You can do this. Will, uphill, till. These are the same sound words, okay? Bit, quit, sit, about, out, shout, afa, ka. So this is the, you have to, this exercise you have to do it. So stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.